Hey everyone, welcome back to SoftGPT. Have you ever wanted to create professional quality images effortlessly? Meet MollyPix AI, the cutting-edge platform that transforms the way you design. Whether you're a marketer, a designer, or just someone who loves bringing creative ideas to life, MollyPix AI makes it incredibly easy to generate high-quality visuals in just a few clicks. With powerful AI-driven tools, you can produce stunning graphics in a fraction of the time. In this video, we'll take a closer look at how MollyPix AI is redefining the design process. Getting started with MollyPix AI is simple. Once you log in, you'll land on a clean and user-friendly dashboard. Here, you'll find thousands of customizable templates designed for various needs, including marketing, social media, and more. At the top of the page, there's a search bar where you can enter keywords to quickly find the perfect template for your project. After selecting a template, you can add a custom prompt to guide the AI in generating a design that matches your vision. Just type your description in the prompt box and click the Magic Prompt button to refine your request using AI. Then hit Generate. And in just seconds, MollyPix AI will create multiple design options for you to choose from. With a single click, you can download your customized image and use it for your project. MollyPix AI makes it easier than ever to create professional visuals with minimal effort. Once you've picked a template, you can fully personalize it by clicking on the Go to Edit tab. This takes you to the editing workspace, where you have full creative control over your design. You can modify text, change colors, and adjust font styles to fit your needs. MollyPix.AI lets you create stunning designs and enhance images with AI tools like Generate Similar, Upscaler, Magic Erase, Magic Edit, and Expand. With the Generate Similar tool, you can create new, similar images. Simply select this tool and click Generate. MollyPix AI will take care of the rest. The AI Magic Eraser allows you to remove unwanted objects with ease. Just select the brush size, paint over the area you want to erase, and click Generate. MollyPix AI will automatically fill the space with a seamless background, eliminating the need for complicated editing. Using the AI Expander, this feature lets you enlarge images while preserving high quality with aspect ratios like 1:1, 2:3, or 3:2, perfect for backgrounds or reframing compositions in seconds. If you want to add new elements, MollyPix AI lets you upload images or graphics directly into the design. You can also tweak shapes, icons, and other components to create something truly unique. Need to change the background? Simply select a new color, pattern, or upload your own image to customize it further. Once you're happy with your design, just click Download to save it to your computer. It's that easy. For example, if you want to create a personalized birthday card, start by selecting a template and clicking Edit. Once you're in the editor, you can fully customize your card by editing the text, adjusting fonts, and selecting different colors. You can also insert images or graphics to make it truly special. For example, you can replace the existing photo with her picture by simply clicking on the image and uploading your own. To add a personal touch, you can include a heartfelt message as well as decorative icons like hearts, balloons, or gift symbols. MollyPix AI also includes powerful AI tools to enhance your creativity. The AI Magic Eraser allows you to remove unwanted objects with ease. Just select the brush size, paint over the area you want to erase, and click Generate. MollyPix AI will automatically fill the space with a seamless background, eliminating the need for complicated editing. Beyond that, MollyPix AI offers tools to generate similar images, upscale your designs, and even expand visuals. Using the AI Expander. This feature lets you enlarge images while preserving high quality with aspect ratios like 1:1, 2:3, or 3:2, perfect for backgrounds or reframing compositions in seconds. This easy-to-use customization process ensures that your design is unique and perfect for any occasion. And that's all there is to it. After finalizing your design, just hit download and your masterpiece is ready to go. With MollyPix AI, creating eye-catching visuals is fast, effortless, and fun, whether it's for a birthday, business promotion, or any other special event. The link to MollyPix AI is available in the description below, so be sure to check it out. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, give it a like, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.